guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make 1K per month using affiliate marketing with Clickbank. So we will gonna use Facebook ads to do this. So currently I am here in Macau while still make money with Clickbank. So this is all about affiliate marketing with Clickbank. I'm back now here in the room. So I was gonna show you how I made that $1,000 for the month of April. So let me show you my computer, my screenshot here. All right, so that's me. So let me just show you the computer here. So as you can see here, this is month of April, how I made $1,000. So you can see here. So this is my daily snapshot, and you will see this is for the week of April 9, 0, right? And then April 16, I made this 439. Week of April 23, I made this 504. And then next is 422. So currently, I am here in Macau. So for this week, I made this amount of money. So this is my gross sale. So you can see this is my Clickbank account. And this is me. How you can make money with Clickbank? Promoting affiliate marketing product using Facebook ads. So first is make sure that you already have signed up with Clickbank. So you can sign up with Clickbank for free. Just go to Marketplace. You can just go here, top offers. So you can pick whatever product that you want to promote here. There are different categories here, different niches. But for me, I'll just do health and fitness because high average conversion. So this means this is the average money that you can make if someone buy using your affiliate hub link. So the first thing that you should do is just go here and pick your product. So let's say I pick this Pure Vibe. Just go to Google Trend and then just type here the product that you pick. And then pick United States past 30 days. So you will see here that there is an interest, so meaning there is a demand for this product. And then let's check another product here. So let's say if we will compare this to, let's say, Live Pure. So I'll just go back to Google Trend and I'll just type here Live Pure and let's see which product is better. So you will see that the Pure Revive is much better compared to Live Pure. So you should look a product that at least they have interest at least 100. Go back to Clickbank Marketplace and then just go here, affiliate page of the product that you want to promote. So just click affiliate page. So you will see here, this is the exclusive affiliate zone for Pure Revive product. So click here to get started. And then next is choose your network. So we will gonna pick Clickbank here. Click Clickbank. So if you do not have any Clickbank account, you can just go to this link, and if you have, you just enter your Clickbank ID here. And then just click access affiliate resources. This will be your Clickbank affiliate link. So just go and copy this one and just save this in a safe place because you will gonna use this when you started promoting this product using Facebook ads. And here when you go down, you will see the demographic. So this is the age 35 to 80. Location is 75% is in US. So we will focus on US. So this one, the gender is 80% is female. And they also provide you emails, but we will not use email marketing in this. We will just do how you can make money fast using Facebook ads. So if you already start running your like campaign or boosting your post, you can go to your Meta Business Suite, and here in your account, just go Insights. And you will see your activity here, okay? If you click this View All Insights, you will see here benchmarking. So just click benchmarking and then go here Business to Watch. So this is where you can add businesses that you want to be your inspiration. So for example, I have here women's health, recipes from heaven, and so on and so forth. So for example, if I want to watch and see what ad that this Facebook page is running, so I'll just copy this one and then I'll go to Facebook ads library. So you will see here, search the Meta ad library. So in order to do this, make sure that you are logged into your Facebook profile. So just choose here all and then category, all ads, and then I'll just paste here the Facebook page. So for example, this is the one that I want to spy on, and I'll just click this page. So I will see here how many ads result that this Facebook page is running. So for example here, this one is active from April 14 2024. So still active. And this one also is still active. So this is where you can see what type of ads that advertisers are running. So you can go here also to see the ad copy and the headline. So you can just click this one and watch the video. So you can just recreate this type of video if let's say you are promoting this product. Okay, play this one and see what is this ad is all about. And then if you want to see the ad copy, then just click this one and you can go and copy this one and rewrite this as your own unique ad copy using ChatGPT. Okay, so you need to create your own unique ad copy. So don't copy and paste this. Otherwise, you will be restricted. Your ad account will be restricted. And if you want to check what type of landing page that this advertiser is using, you can just go and click this and you can see also the headline that they are using. So just click this one, learn more. So this is the headline. They have the image of before and after. This is their call to action. So when they click this one, you will be redirected to the page that they are promoting. So you will see here also that they have the privacy policy and disclaimer. All right, so let's click this one. So the product that the advertiser is promoting here is about the coffee loophole, okay, for weight loss. So this is the product vendor VSL, video sales letter. And here's the best thing that you can do. So you can see here, when you go in your exclusive affiliate zone, you can just go images and you will see these images here. Or you can just check this email swipe so you can get some idea of images to use. Or you can just screenshot this and use this as your image. Now, it is very important that you understand not to run health and fitness campaign in Facebook ads if you haven't warmed up yet your Facebook account, or if you haven't set up your business manager using Facebook Meta. Do not direct your traffic to your Clickbank affiliate hop link. This is not allowed on Facebook. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then I have this program that you can join now. So this is about affiliate marketing, Clickbank Success Formula, Beginner's Guide without blogging and email list. So I will show you step by step on how to make money with Clickbank. So what you can do here is you can just check my course content. So I have here section number 1, preparation and what you will need. Section number 2, this is all about picking a niche and your winning product to promote. You will learn how to create your own affiliate marketing niche website. So I will show you how you can make your landing page, how to set up a domain name, how to secure your website with SSL, and so much more. So if you join me now, I will give you a special discount coupon. So all you need is just enter the coupon here and click apply. But do me a favor. Once you're in and you love this course, I would appreciate if you can give me a 5-star feedback. So in exchange, I can give you this special discount coupon. Next, so I'll show you how to create a sales campaign from scratch. Under campaign, just click create. Just take note that you will not run this campaign unless you already start warming up your Facebook profile. So just be aware of that. Otherwise, your Facebook account will get restricted. So for this campaign, we will gonna use this buying type auction, and here we will gonna use sale. Click continue. Do this manual sales campaign, and then click continue. So campaign name, I'll just put here Pura Vibe campaign in 1. And then categories, just leave this as is. The campaign objective here is sales. Just leave this as is. And then A/B testing, just leave this as is. Advanced campaign budget, just keep this as default. Then just go to ad set, or you can just click next. And then ad set name, let's say my ad set name here is ad set 1. And then here you will see conversion is website. Performance goal, you can just go here, make sure that you pick maximize number of conversion. And then for pixel, make sure that you pick your pixel. So just click this drop down and choose your pixel. And then for the conversion event, just click this drop down and choose purchase. Cost per result goal, just leave this blank and then click this more. This is where you will see attribution settings, so just leave this as is. And then for dynamic creative, just turn this off. For budget and schedule, you can set your daily budget here. So for example, so you will see here mine is in Philippine peso, but in your case, you can set this up for $5, $10, $20 per day. So this is all up to you. So you can start with lower budget depending on your payment threshold given to you by Facebook, how much you can spend daily. So you can check your billing. So you can check your billing here by clicking this billing and payment and set your budget here per day. And then for schedule, normally I put this the next day, okay? And then I will start this at 3 o'clock in the morning. So this is my ad campaign time frame, PST. So wherever you are, just make sure that you set this up the next day at 3 o'clock a.m. We will not set an end date here because we want to generate data for our pixel. So normally you can run your ad for 2 days to 3 days. It depends on your KPI. And then when you click this hide option, you will see here, this is where you will target your location. So click edit and I will just pick here United States. This is my target location. So you can put your target location here and then just scroll down, click this more. And this is where you will set up your language. So normally I put here English all. And then for the advantage audience, when you click this audience suggestion, this is where you will target your age. So normally I will start here from age 35 to 65 plus for weight loss. And then here gender, I will just pick all genders. Detailed targeting, this is where you will put your target audience interest. So for example, you can put here, let's say cheesecake. The interest is cheesecake. Then you can just put the interest here. You will see the estimated daily results here and the audience size. And then that's all you need to do in the ad set level. And for the ad, just go here, click add, and create your ad name. So I'll just put here ad number 1, partnership, just leave this off, and then your Facebook identity. Select your Facebook page here. And then next is ad setup. So here just click create ad, and then this one is creative source, manual upload, format, single image or video. So here just leave this as default, multi-advertiser ads. And here in your ad creative, so just click this one and then click add image or video. And then for the primary text, this is where you will put your ad copy. Headline, this is where you'll put your headline. For description, I don't put anything here. And then call to action, choose learn more. And for the destination website URL, you can just go and create your UTM using your tracking software. So in my case, I use ClickMagick. So what I will do, I will just go here, campaign, and I'll just click this tools, click URL builder. This is where you will enter your landing page URL. And once you already have your landing page URL, just go down, you will see here UTM parameters. So UTM source, let's say I will put here Facebook, since we are running Facebook ads. Medium, I'm testing my image number 1. And then let's say UTM campaign, this is my ad set 1, for example. And then ClickMagick will generate your UTM parameter. So all you need to do is just save and copy this URL. When you save and copy this is the URL that you will place over here in website URL. Display link, this is where you will put your website domain. You will see browser add-ons, just click here none. So language is off, tracking, make sure that you have your website event. So if you see this, your metapixel is not active, just ignore this one. Offline event, just put this off since we are running our website event here. URL parameters, you don't need to put anything here because we already use our ClickMagick UTM parameter. And once you're done, just click publish. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos.